Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome back. Just real quick, this video is an alert for a lot of you guys out there, so pay attention. So it's been reported by Android police, and I'll link the article in the description so you guys can read it for yourself. But there have been several users who have reported that permissions for their Google account have been granted to Google Wallet, and through that they've been trying to figure out where this is coming from, where the notification is coming from, and it's from an unidentified app. Now, the reason why this is very serious for you guys to really look into and double check your account and even possibly change your Google account password is for the fact that, one, Google Wallet is pretty much non-existent. Okay, not only did they shut down the app to the physical card, which I don't know if you guys still have yours. I still have mine, but the physical card is pretty much shut down, right? This no longer works. You can't load it with money, but the entire Google Wallet app has been merged with Android Pay, which is what GPay or Google Pay is. And so it's not, Google Pay is not going to be asking you to, allow permissions for Google Wallet. Google Wallet is a non-existent service anymore. It's merged. It's done. It's gone. You would not see any type of notification from Google Wallet asking you for your Google account access. So be in mind that if you see this, do not, and I repeat, do not grant it permissions for your Google account. Now, if you have seen this over the last couple of days and may have may have unknowingly granted it permissions, go through your Google account, update your security privacy, change your password, and revoke access to this. Revoke access to your Google account for Google Wallet, because Google Wallet, again, is non-existent. The only pay service on Android that should have permissions is GPay. That is the only one. But if it says Google Wallet, if it shows that symbol, it's no longer available. That service is dead. So whatever this is, definitely it's malicious. It's not good. Now, Google is aware of it. They are looking into it to try to get this matter resolved. And once they know what exactly is going on with this, we will then be updated to know exactly what app is doing it, where this app could have been from, and ways to prevent it from gaining access into your Google account. But for right now, you can take matters into your own hands. One, again, I repeat, one, do not grant it permissions for your Google account. And two, if you already have, revoke access to it by going into your Google account, going into apps and services that are allowed to be attached to your Google account. Find that one and revoke its permissions and change your passwords. And I would suggest turning on two-step verification, and then that way anything that does need access to your Google account, even if the password was put in, you would still need the G code that would get text to your smartphone. So definitely enable two-step authentication to protect your privacy and to protect your Google account. So that's pretty much it, guys. Link in the description to Android Police's website where it talks about it. If you guys have any questions, drop it in the comment section of the video. Smash that like button if you guys enjoyed it, and if this was informative and helpful. And if you just came to my channel and you like it, go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Aloha.